what's up? Today we're going to go through step by step how to draw a devil face. It's going to be relatively simple and easy. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and regular computer paper. So let's try this out, okay? First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with kind of a bump for the nose right here. See, it's almost like a upside down L. That's the bridge of the nose. Curve right here. Back a little bit for the nostril, well, at least the under nostril, and then let's draw the upper nostril right here. Cool. Gonna pull down for kind of the lower kind of upper lip, but lower section there. Pulling up here, curve around the top here. Pulling up right here, just kind of doing step by step. Sorry, as far as the eye goes. So that's the eye. I'm gonna pull in here, pull in here. I'm gonna do the brow on the far end. Pull up here. And do that bottom of that eye. Now the far end eye, I'm going to draw a line here. Down. Don't forget to hit the like button if you do like these videos again. Like, I'm going to start posting them very frequently. I don't know about every day. I'm going to try every day. At some point it will be every day. But what I want you to do is I want you to actually, be chatty in the comments. For example, what do you want to see this season for, this year for Halloween? I'm going to be drawing a lot of, similar things in like a different style. What is it that you want me to do, and I'll try to make it happen. Even if I've done it already, let me know what you want to see, because there will be new versions of stuff. So werewolf is like 100 different ways to draw a werewolf, right? Or anything like that. But be vocal this time. I really want to get in the Halloween spirit. And part of getting in the Halloween spirit is this channel. This channel really gets me in the Halloween spirit. All right, gonna go over here, side of the cheek. Go over here, this cheekbone, pulling down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of a sinister, I don't know, let's say like smile kind of thing. Yeah. It's going to have that kind of open mouth thing. And I'm going to draw fang teeth over here on this side, pull across, fang teeth on this side, and I'm gonna kind of put a line here and darken out the sides. Kind of that mouth out, down here for the chin, pull up. Let's draw that ear. So I'm gonna curve line over here, a little bit of a tip. Pull down, and then we're going to do that underneath lobe connecting to the ear. Going over here, pulling down here, line. Well, let's do the most defining thing about him, the horns. So you can kind of choose what you want. You can do small horns, big horns. I usually go like crazy with the horns, but let's just go moderate over here. So I'm going to pull out of here, up a little bit, pull down, curve back in. Gonna go on this side, curve over here, and just try to imitate that shape on that far end there. Right on. Curve line up, down. Pull line down here for the back of the neck. Maybe a little fold there, you never know. I want him to be kind of buff, right? The devil should be buff or whatever. Pulling down here, underneath. Line here. So, like I said, we're not going to... Well, I am going to get into the more heavier Halloween stuff soon, probably after this month. Right now, it's going to be a little bit more tangentially, like the devil, the Wendigo, give me some sci-fi stuff to do, and I will totally do it. but I want to hear from you guys. I want to reiterate that. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, to help the channel grow. And I want you to share these videos if you can. That's really going to help the channel grow and kind of bring the Halloween spirit around. Go over here, the Adam's apple area. Pull down. Line here. And I think maybe another line here because it's kind of got that muscular thing going on. I'm going to draw some lines along the head. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw and fill in most of the inner horn here. Right, I just gotta fill in that horn. You know, there's a bunch of different versions of like demon devil stuff on here. You know, like anything horror movie-esque. I found a great Instagram grammer that makes these horror shorts, and I'll try to recommend him when I remember his name. The next time I'll recommend him on the next one. But I've been really addicted to watching these little horror shorts on TikTok. Boldening out some lines here. Maybe a little bit more of a laugh line there, kind of completing the nostril here. This is supposed to be the philtrum, but right now it's looking like a booger. This is supposed to be the philtrum. I think it's they call that the philtrum. Put a couple of lines around here for details. Get a little bag of the eye here. Bag of the eye. Line over here. Just throwing these little small lines everywhere that can really, you know, do a lot for detail. All right, let me see. Are we almost? We're almost done there. Let me throw some of the gum line here. You know, you're throwing thinner lines for small details. So I think another thing different from this year as opposed to last year is I'm much more comfortable and I draw quicker than I did last year. So it's gonna be a really, really good year. I'm really excited. I hope you are too. Like I said, definitely share the video like I told you. I'll put some cool links in the description that'll really help everybody out become a better artist. And that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Happy Halloween, guys. I need you to stay spooky, and I'll see you soon, okay? See you later.